Okay, a new collection from Etamine called, my French is terrible, but we know that as Saint Tropez. So we're going to start with a really beautiful lightweight floral. Comes in a multitude of colors, very abstract. Here is the item number if interested. But as you can see in the visual, drapes very beautifully, really quite pretty. Just a nice way to add some subtle color to a room. Next, they come through with a beautiful embroidery. Has a little bit of a Japanese or Oriental influence with these kind of trees, as you can kind of see in the visual. Just really awesome, super fun. I love a fun embroidery. And the color and the information on that is as follows. Paired with a nice, lovely sheer. Very gorgeous, wide width. Very beautiful, as you can kind of see, it does a beautiful ombre. Item number here. Next to that, we have a lovely kind of satin woven jacquard, still kind of reminiscent of that embroidery, but as you can see, it has a little bit of a dressier sensibility. And then kind of comes in this awesome, beautiful blush tone as well. Very soft, very elegant. Same initial colors, but the 495 is the colorway of this one. Now to a very lightweight texture. Simple, elegant, a lot of movement. The color on that, appropriately named Cocoa. And then to the additional colorway of that first fabric we saw. Back to our embroidery and more of an aqua blue tone. You can definitely see how the personality of the fabric changes when it's a little bit quieter. And then another really fun sheer, has just some nice movement in it as well. Wide width. And then back to that cocoa fabric, still in these nice kind of moody blues and soft sea foams. You can see that this floral really dominated the collection. Just a nice showstopper, a little quieter with these greens and blues and purples. And then again with that beautiful, beautiful embroidery. We go back to the ombre, well actually a different subtle striped sheer. Very pretty, very elegant, also 118 inches wide. To our nice soft texture with cocoa. We're into our darker blue story. And then into this more slaty blue. Definitely it has a little bit more of a masculine sensibility, even though the pattern does have a little bit of a delicate nature. The color on that. And then to the beautiful white version of our embroidery. Just very clean, very classic. I love that some of the pattern is ever so subtle in that tone-on-tone look. Makes it just that kind of quiet pop of something a little special. And then a couple more of that really pretty sheer that we looked at earlier. A few more in this book. Another really pretty of that striped, really nice sheer as well. Colors on that. And then we're into our little cream tone. So there's actually two different colors here. One's a little warmer, so you have a little bit more of these gold tones under in the top color. And then on the bottom, it's going to be a little bit more of that tone on tone and that beautiful kind of satin ground. To kind of round up the collection, we have the neutral version of our really beautiful floral. Another colorway of our ombre sheer. A more natural coloration of the embroidery. A neutral version of that sheer with that nice movement. Really elegant in this nice kind of taupey tone. And then finally, your nice, more neutral, taupey, almost a taupey gray of the satin. So that is the first collection from Etamine. Let me know if you have any questions. You know how to reach me, 480-946-1006, or philip@palavelahome.com.